So friends, in today's video I'm going to tell you that if you have a Samsung AC and the remote of that AC looks something like this and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you need to use your AC from your mobile in an emergency, then today I'm going to tell you how you can use the AC very easily from your mobile. So let's start the video. Before using the AC from your mobile, keep in mind that if you have a Mi, Xiaomi, Redmi phone or your phone has an IR blaster, only then you can use the AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC anytime offline. First of all, open the Play Store on your mobile. Now search for Lloyd AC Remote in the Play Store. Now install Lloyd AC Remote. Now Lloyd AC Remote is installed. Now go inside this app. Now, turn on the AC from the main switch and use it from your mobile phone just like you would with a remote. You can now see the remote in the application. You can operate your AC with this remote, and you can use it offline anytime without Wi-Fi connectivity. Using the AC with this remote will first display the room temperature, followed by the temperature you set. Before making this video, I tested it practically on my AC. I'm uploading this video only after it was successful, so trust me, it will work. I hope you understood the information I provided. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.